Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about the singulars and plurals. So, what is a singular noun? So, singular noun refers to only one person, place, or thing. And a plural noun, it refers to more than one person, place, or thing. So, when we talk about a single thing, then that means we are talking about the singular noun. And when we talk about more than one thing, that represents a plural noun. For example, window, and the plural of window is windows. Now we will learn about some rules. So, most nouns are made plural by adding s to the end of the singular nouns. Like the plural of a car is cars. So, how we have made the plural? We have made the plural by adding s to car. So, car represents one car and cars represent more than one. That is the plural form. Bag, bags, table, tables, house, houses, dog, dogs. So, when we have added s at the last, we have made the plural of the nouns. So, more example, desk, desks, book, books, pen, pens, shop, shops, chair, chairs, month, months, train, trains, name, names, friend, friends, teacher, teachers. So, we have added s and made the plurals. Now the next one is add es to words ending in ch, sh, s, double s, x or z to make the plural. So some words they are made plurals by adding es. And you have to keep in mind where to add es. We will add es when the words they end with either ch or s or double s or z or x. Okay, like beach, beaches, fox, foxes, cross, crosses, pitch, pitches. Then wish, wishes, bus, buses, waltz, waltzes, hutch, hutches. So what we have seen in these words, the words they have ended with either ch or x or double s or z or s, okay, or x. Church, how you will do? Churches. Gas, gases. Class, classes. Quiz, quizzes. Wax, waxes. Dish, dishes. So add es and form the plurals of these words. Now the next one. When the letters before a y is a consonant, change the y to an I before adding an es. That means you can remove y and add ies if the word has ended with y and has a consonant before it. Like in city, you see what we find that before y you have t, which is a consonant. So what you have to do? You have to remove y and add ies, like city is city. We will remove y and add ies, that is cities, cities. That will become the plural. For one we use city and for more than one we use cities. One baby and you can see two babies crawling, smiling. Now pony, ponies, filly, fillies, berry, berries, reply, replies, belly, bellies. So what we see? That in all the words they have ended with y and before y there is a vowel. So remove y and add ies. Let us try these. Family, families, remove y and add ies. families. Let me see if I am able to write. F A M I L I E S. It will become like this. Okay, good. Now, in the next one also you will do like that. Daisy, daisies, army, armies, nappy, nappies, lady, ladies, jelly, jellies, party, parties, cherry, cherries. So remove y, add ies. That will become the plural. Now see what we have seen. Remove y and add ies. Now in these words, can we remove y and add ies? No, we can't remove Y and add IES like in donkey. Why is it so? Because before Y there is not a consonant. What do you see? In all the words before Y? In all the words before Y we see a vowel. So you know that A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and in these words we have seen there are the vowels. Like in boy you have the vowel O. Okay, before Y. In donkey we have the vowel E. Pulley we have the vowel E before Y. Relay before Y we have A. Play before Y we have A. In gray before Y E. LA before Y E. So what we will do? We will not remove Y and add IES. Only add S. Remember this rule, okay? Day, days. Only add S. Donkey, donkeys. Tray, trays. Trolley, trolleys. Satyrs, satyrs. Valley, valleys. Delay, delays. Key, keys. So in this add only S, because there is a consonant before Y. And here what you have seen? Sorry, in this you have a vowel before Y, and in this what we have seen? There is a vowel before. Sorry, in this there is a consonant before Y, and in this you have a vowel before Y. So when there is a vowel before Y we will add S, and when there is a consonant before Y we will remove Y and add IES. That's the rule. Now when words end in F or FE, change the F or FE to a V before adding ES. So what you will do? That when the word you will see that has ended with F or FE, then remove that F and add VES. Like in leaf, remove F and add VES. Half also, remove F and add VES. Like HALF, we will remove F from there, from the singular, and add VES for the plural. HALVES. Wife ended with FE. So remove FE and add VES. Life also LIFE. So what we will write? LIVES. Okay, hoof, hoops, thief, thieves. But there are some words, children, which you will have to learn. In that, if they have ended with F, then we will not remove F, but we will add only S in that. Okay, so there are exceptions. Like surf, surfs. Giraffe, giraffes. Cliff, cliffs. Belief, believes. Safe, safes. Chef, chefs. Ref, refs. So you have seen that. In the previous we have learned that we will remove F and add VES, but here we have only added S. So learn this. Now, okay, when a word ends in an O and comes after a consonant, add ES to make the plural. So what we see? That there are words which have ended with O. Okay, and we have consonant before that. Then what we will do? We will add ES. Like one tomato, two tomatoes. Cargo, cargos. Okay, singular is cargo, and we will make plural by adding ES. Echo, echoes. Volcano, volcanoes. So we have added ES. Mango, mangoes. Hero, heroes. Torpedo, torpedoes. Potato, potatoes. But there are some words ending in O in which you have to add only S. Like cello, cellos. Disco, discos. Hairdo, hairdos. Logo, logos. What is this? Patio, patios. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Radio, radios. So you learn this. Okay. For these are also exceptions. As in English, you know, there are many exceptions and you will have to learn those things. Okay. Piano, pianos. Photo, photos. Hello, hellos. Soprano, sopranos. Here also. Okay, now sometimes a word may completely change its form when a plural is made. Okay, this is another rule. So it is going to change its complete form. Person, people, goose, geese, fungus, fungi. Then criterion, criteria, nucleus, nuclei, man, men, foot, feet. Okay, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, woman, women, cactus, cacti, dice, dices. Now see here this. Okay, what do we find? Sometimes a word may stay the same in both its singular and plural form. Okay, these remain the same in both in the plural and singular form, like bream, bream, aircraft, aircraft only, salmon, salmon, series, series, trout, trout, moose, moose. That means they don't change their form. Whether that is in the singular form or in the plural form, they remain the same. Species, sheep. Okay, plural of sheep will be sheep only. Deer, deer, perch, perch, tuna, tuna, offspring, offspring. Now, some nouns ending in us change to I. Make them plural, to make them plural. Like focus. If it is ended with us, we will remove that and add I. So focus, foci. Cactus ended with us. Add I, cacti. So remove us and add I. Then radius, radii. So these cacti store water in their trunks. Okay, these are the cacti. So what they are doing? They are storing water in their trunks. Then for some nouns ending in is, what happens? Change is to es to make them in the plural. Like ellipsis. So is, it has ended with is. We will remove is and add es. Okay, crisis. That means singular is ellipsis and plural is ellipses. Crisis, crisis. Analysis, analysis. Okay, so we make the plural by removing is. So some nouns ending in on change to plural by removing on and adding a. Like criterion, what do? We remove on from last and add a. That is criteria. Plural of criterion is criteria. Taxon, taxa. Phenomenon, phenomena. So we must observe more weather phenomena outside. Here are more examples like bacterium, bacteria, criterion, criterion, criteria, phenomenon, phenomena, stratum, strata, medium, media. So from here we have removed or on and added a. Tetanus is a serious illness caused by tetanus bacteria. The data were collected over a period of 3 months. The plural form we have used. Like criterion, criteria you have to learn. Phenomenon, phenomena, datum, data, stratum, strata, bacterium, bacteria, forum, fora or forums. You can use podium, podia or podiums, curriculum, curriculums or curricula. So what we have done? We have removed on or and added a and made the plurals. Some nouns don't change at all when they are pluralized, like sheep, sheep, series, series, species, species, deer, deer. That means they don't change their form. They remain same in the plural also and for the singular also. Now some nouns are there, those are always in the plural form, like boxers, jeans, trousers, belongings, clothes, goggles, headphones. They always come in the plural form. We don't have singulars for them. So thank you everyone. Have a good day and learn everything. Bye.